everyone, this is Darius at Done Deal Motors. Today we have a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, and today we're going to show you how to put these body armor trail doors on. To do this job, you're going to need 5 things. You're going to need a rubber hammer, a ratchet, and 2 torque bits. One size 40, one size 50. Also, you're going to need a cloth so you don't scratch the paint. The first step in this project, you're going to need to release the pin bolts on the door hinges. So how you do that is with the 50 torque wrench and the ratchet. What you're going to do is put a cloth to the body, put the ratchet underneath it, make sure it's in there tight, and you're going to turn the pin nut clockwise until it's released. After a while, you'll be able to take it out with your hand. The next step is to disconnect the electrical connections from each door by simply going inside, underneath the dash to the left-hand side, pressing this clip, and pulling out. The next step is to take off the doors. Swing the door open, make sure you clear the body, and lift up. To disconnect the back doors, you need to first move the front seat all the way forward. After you got that seat all the way up, you're going to come to the back, to the pillar between the driver's seat and the rear seats. There's going to be a panel right here. You're going to pull that open, and inside will be the electrical connector for the second door. All you got to do is push this pin and pull it out just like the front, and then you're going to run it right through the hole along the side. Once you get everything disconnected, you're going to do the same as the front. You're going to swing the door out, clear the body, and pull up. Now here comes the fun part. Right here we have the front door, and it comes with its own mirror, hinges, and a latch. You're gonna take the door, match the hinges up with the holes that are already in the body, and just slide it right in. Same step follows for the rear doors. See, this one's a little difficult to put in, and this is where the rubber hammer comes in. And all you're going to do is tap it in, make sure it closes.